and that is Windows navigation. Always when you're using an application and you want to find your local file, you always notice that there is a window that pops up and asks you to find that file. And navigation sometimes can disturb your head. I know that probably disturbed you when we were covering savers. So what we are going to start with, open Explorer. If you don't have it as shortcut in your desktop or pinned anywhere, just search for it, File Explorer. For me, I have it here, so I'll open it. This is a File Explorer. From this vertical line here to its left, this is called navigation pane. It shows locations unless you jump between folders quickly. In simple terms, it's a map of your desktop or computer. Then this middle part here, from this faint vertical line up to this one here, this is called the content pane or file list. For now, showing us the recent files and the frequently used folders. Its main work is to show what is in the folder you have selected or what's in the drive. This far right, some of you don't have it in your desktops, but this is called the preview pane. If you also want to have it, you can just come to view, then you tick this, make this blue. You click on it once and it comes, preview pane, and it comes. Its work is to allow you preview what's in what that file is all about without disturbing you opening it. It always previews when you click on it once, like that. It previews. So for now, we are going to find this folder and find its contents using the knowledge we have just had. So what we do, this space here, this home screen here is called desktop. When you open File Explorer or this PC, then you come to desktop from the navigation pane, desktop. You can find your folder from there, like this navigation, and the folder we are finding is also called what? Navigation, so it's the very one. You double click it to open. You find that what? This is a subfolder, the folder that I've created inside of it. When I double click, it opens, and it opens what's inside there, the content, my files and the rest. And you can always use these buttons for going back and moving forward. You can use this one to jump to where you started from, if at all it's necessary, or you have gotten somehow lost. This space here is called the what? Address bar. It lets you jump, like we're in the images subfolder, but you can jump back to desktop and start again from there. And this arrow down here, you can again jump back to images. That's how they work. So in case you have your file there or image and you want to move it to some other location or the entire folder, in fact, like this is subfolder, you just have to right click, then you come to copy if you want it to remain there as well. You can always select cut if you don't want it to remain there, but for now let's go with copy. Then you put it to where? To desktop. Then you paste it there. You find that our subfolder is now main folder here in desktop, and our files are there, and there is ease of access. And you find that when you're using applications like Microsoft Word and others, when you always want to insert a picture or something that's in your local files or computers, it will pop up this File Explorer window and always it gives you hard time. Just use the knowledge you have just learned and use it for finding your files easily. Now that you have learned how to find your files, it will help us in inserting pictures into Microsoft Word, and that's probably going to be our next lesson, inserting elements and working with them.